pic. I'm about to go take some pics. And I must decide, I'm not gonna put on makeup, I'm just gonna like halfway take some pics. Like the focus will be on the sneaks. Oh, I love these. Halfway take some pics. It's gonna be a halfway picture. Okay. Wait, what do I do with the laces after this? Just tuck them in? Alright, let's see. I'm just gonna tuck them. Cute, actually. Can I like flip this? Okay, let's compare, please. We have these, which I like the color contrast in this, you know what I'm saying? And on this, I like the red. I think it adds the poppy color into the outfit. Maybe I could put on like, I don't know. What do we think? Okay, go comment on my most recent picture, the one I posted earlier. Oh my gosh, I'm already creasing. Okay, go comment and let me know which Jordans you think I should go for. Oh my god, I love these. They're so comfortable too. No! I am an idiot. You guys! I just spilled my coffee. Okay. Hold on. Okay, this is like, apparently this is what the Summer Sisters do, because we just spill coffee everywhere, like all over ourselves. Oh my god. So I have coffee all over my room now. No, and I'm creasing my Jordans. Okay, I need to take off my Jordans. Oh my god, my life. Okay. So, if you want to go comment about my options, okay? Let me know. I'm gonna just be here cleaning this bullshit. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm just thankful my shoes are okay. Yeah, they're good. Okay. Actually, this coffee is coming out of the ground like magic. Yeah. Okay. I spill coffee if you're just coming in. Forgive me. Okay. I like how I'm just cleaning this up. Like I'm literally just drying it up right now. You know, you gotta get the liquid first before you start spraying and shit. This went from like a haul to a cleaning lesson. Or a life lesson. Don't freaking, I don't know. Okay, guys. Wow, I'm a disappointment. Okay, well, I'm gonna clean. Love ya. I hope you have a good day. Hope you enjoyed my mess a lot. No, I'm just kidding. But for real. Bye, guys.